Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be teaching you how to use your taskade extension here on Google Chrome. So after you download this extension, just go ahead and click on this little emoticon up in the right hand corner. And once you have signed up for taskade, it should bring you to a page that looks something like this. Now, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a new project today and invite some people to your team workspace. So first, we're going to be creating this project. So up in this right hand corner, see this new button? You're going to go ahead and click on that. Now, you can create your own template, but today we're just going to be using this weekly planner because it is a basic template and it's really easy to use. So to edit this, there's a lot of different cool things that you can do. You can change colors, but first let's just start with adding our own title. I'm going to be calling this weekly homework. Spell it right, maybe. There we go. Now, maybe you don't want to have goals in this planner or check-off list. That's easy. You can just select the whole thing like so, and just press your backspace button. It's going to have you confirm this deletion, and you don't want that, so you're going to go ahead and click delete. Now, adding things in, super easy. Just click on where you want it and add what task you have to complete. So, Spanish homework, soccer practice. Say on Tuesday you have piano lessons. Super easy to just add those in, and anything left over, any of these little spaces left over you don't want, you can just delete. Now, once you've filled all of this out, it's super easy to just save it. All you do is click this team workspace button, and it takes you back to your home page. And look, there you are with your new planner. Now, say you want your mom to be able to have access to this. All you have to do is press invite, and you're going to invite members via email. So you're going to email your mom, and you're going to send her an email. There. Now she can choose accept or deny that request, which she's probably going to accept. And that is how you do some things on taskade. Thanks for watching.